yung itsura ng Santorini. Ang ganda, di ba? Super ganda talaga kung ano yung nakita niyo doon. Yung director of photography namin, si Ate Shane Sarten. Ano siya, 2-time Morian Award winner. So it was an honor for us to be able to work with her on this movie. And ang dami niyang mga shots na hindi nga nagamit sa film. Pero yung kung ano yung nakita niyo, yun po talaga yung itsura niya sa totoong buhay. And mabait po talaga ng lahat ng tao. Doon may mga Pilipino rin, kukunti lang nga. Pero yeah, it's the first time that a Filipino film company has ever shot a movie there. And tamang-tama sa Philippines, ewan ko po dito, pero sa Pilipinas, Mamma Mia came out, and then we came out, and then Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants came out, and these were all filmed in Greece. So it was a nice, interesting thing for us to be able to, to have had the chance to shoot there.
That's right. So first time to shoot in Greece, and this movie had a lot of first times. Can you imagine with her acting there? That was her first time acting in front of the big screen. How was that? Were you excited or were you scared?
Well, actually may kwento ako sa inyo.
Sige.
Hindi, meron po kasi isang eksena doon, kung naalala ninyo, yung nasa kotse ako, tapos pranake ako ni Seth. Yun talagang sa totoong buhay po, ngayon ko lang na-experience yung talagang nawalan ako ng hininga. Parang nakalimutan kong shooting siya. Nakalimutan ko po na pelikula yung ginagawa namin na nung nag-cut na si Direk Joyce Bernal na sobrang saya rin katrabaho, dinapitan niya ako, hindi na ako makahinga nung time na yun. Binigyan niya ako ng tubig, hanggang sa lima-lima na yung nakapaligid sa akin na di nila malaman kung mahihimatay na ba ako, o kung palipad na ako ng Mars, o kung ano. So talagang, it was something na, doon ko lang na-realize na mahal ko yung character ko na si Pia.